going on, YouTube family? So today we're going to be showing you how to connect thanks.io to a CRM of your choice using webhooks. Stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to set up a webhook integration with your KV Core platform that triggers a postcard to be sent to a past client. So we've created or started creating our webhook. We're going to go ahead and copy that URL which Zapier is providing to us, and we're going to head into our smart campaigns. Now in my smart campaign, I'm going to go ahead and select closed, and then I want this to be a default closed. I actually already have some built into here, so you can see my day 30 postcards and day 90 postcard and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these for this purpose to show you and how to demonstrate how to do this. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. Now I want to add an action over here off to the right, and we're going to go ahead and use webhook. Now in the webhook, we're going to basically say thanks.io closed as the template, right? Name. Actually, we'll use this as a template name. Sorry, we don't have a template. So we'll go ahead and give that the name, and then we'll also say thanks.io closed, and then this is where we'll provide that URL. So I'm going to head back over there, copy that real fast, and we're going to paste that into the URL. Now on the parameters that I want to send first name. I also want to send last name. I also want to send their address. So we'll go ahead and say lead address. Now I'm going to put this to run immediately. And we're going to assign this to a contact so that it starts the process of sending data, right? So here we go. We're going to add this contact to that default closed campaign. Closed seller, default closed, there it is. And then we should see here in a moment that the webhook was triggered. So here any second now there will be a webhook triggered. And we could also go here and test this trigger. It's listening for new events, and there is my data. Now, one thing that we will do is go ahead and select thanks.io as our second application here, and our event will actually be to send a postcard. Now we'll go ahead and click on continue. We'll select our account, and then we need to insert the first name. So we'll select from our query parameters that were sent here. So we'll go ahead and use these, right? So that's my last name, and you could always type in first name here and it'll pull it up. So there it is, query first name, query last name. And then we also need the full address. So here we go, we could have that full address there. So we'll just type in address, and there we have it. Now what I need to do is go ahead and type in my message if I want one. So you could say things like, hi, I cannot believe it's been 30 days already. If you know anyone looking to buy or sell nearby, I would be grateful for the referral. Right? So you could also insert things in here like the parameters. So if I wanted to insert the first name, I can go ahead and do that. So there we go. And you can also choose a message template. If you already have one in your thanks.io account, you get to select your handwriting style. You could also choose an image template if you have one. Or this is really cool because if there's an image that you want to use, let's say you have a Pexels account or something like that, and you want to embed the image of a home anniversary, and I probably butchered the spelling on that, but I apologize. So we could just go ahead and let's just type in home, right? But you can actually get the link that goes directly to this image, right? So I can open image in new tab, and there we go. We got my image right there. So I would just copy that, and in my Zapier setup, I would paste that URL. Now, there's all sorts of fun stuff in here that you could do. You can go through, but for time purposes, let's go ahead and click continue, and let's test this action. Now, you should get a successful message here, right? So there we go. We got our success. And then if you head into your thanks.io account, you should be able to then see that postcard that was created. So here we go. We will scroll down here, and there's my postcard. And now this is automated, right? So now when I'm ready, you can preview that. You could see the postcard, you could see the message, and everything. So now this is ready. I can go ahead and click publish, activate this, and that webhook to thanks.io Smart campaign is now set up. So anybody that gets added to that campaign will now start to get that postcard so long as you have their mailing address. Hopefully you found this video useful, and like always, be sure to click that like and subscribe button down below for more cool content like this one. Thanks everyone, have a great day.